Time is quickly running out to finish Goku 2. This car is leaving for Japan in 2 days. We're nearly ready to fire it up for the first time, find out if all the late nights over the last couple of weeks are going to pay off. We don't really have any room for mistakes, so it all comes down to this. It hasn't been on yet. What if I put it to the wrong spot?
I've got PDM 28015. Go back at once. Power. Look at power.
Yes, sir.
Alright, let's go home.
Blink, blink. It works. Bumpy! Any of that yet, that's what we need to. Oh, flashy green. Got a 6-pin plugged in. That's in. They're all on. What was it?
Oh, I just...
Hacker man. What was the problem? Why didn't it work the first time?
Touched it.
Don't lie to me. Tell me what it was.
No, it was just a PWM signal.
I had it wrong. Inverted. 100 was 0, 0 was 100.
A wild man in the wild.
There's another wild man in the wild. Don't eat my mic.
I have something to say.
Hi. Hi.
You did half of it.
No. Can you say yes, Stuart?
No short.
Fixing something that Stuart half finished.
The fuck, it's been here for 3 days. He knows how this place works.
You found the bolts?
Yeah.
Where were they?
With the axle nuts.
With the axle nuts.
Oh, where you'd expect it to be, you know?
Weird spot though.
Same.
Bolts for your shafts, eh?
Not only does Stu do half a job everything he fucking fixes, he does half a job with everything he delivers too.
You want me to come work for you? No. I work really good with the client side.
I was going to say, half the procurement, half the QA. I fucking already have. It is wild, man. Yeah. Tell you, it'd be like, remember. We fucking stall every 15 times.
6,000.
What? 6,600 pounds of clamp pressure. Dual diaphragm.
I don't understand what that means.
Big clutch. Jeff had a 3,600 pound and it held 1,580.
That?
No, the Jeff did. It held 1,580 horsepower and it held 3,600 pounds.
We're all sitting here staring at Nate intently. Nate, turn it on.
You keep staring and I get
Can you open the exhaust valve when you first turn it on?
Yep. We got it set up there ready for it. It's Andy's thing.
Or straight away open it? Yeah, fuck yeah. 100%. I want to hear it closed.
Oh, we saw the car, yeah. Youngie's sitting there with the
We should all just huddle around Nate real close. Like he's the campfire and we're trying to get warm. Hey, start the car.
She's definitely solid, eh?
It's like she's solid and not solid all at the same time.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tin can with 1,000,000 horsepower. Solid.
Yeah.
stuff, not so solid.
Yeah.
Like the stuff
Solid.
solid.
Solid, yeah.
Vroom, 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 Dylan.
Start the car.
All you need is coolant pressure.
Room.
Not hot.
All you need is coolant pressure. We don't want coolant pressure, brother. I'm telling you right
You're going to
now.
have pressure either way.
Yeah, I know.
I only need to see coolant pressure. It's not hot.
But there's no water. What are you going to do?
Yeah, I was gonna say
Hot air.
hot air.
So pedal works, throttle body works. That's on coil 1.
For safety, you want to start with the.
Well, I want to pulse the coils first.
Do you want to check the coils
So I want to pulse them.
with a spark plug
There's already a
check?
lead there. Well, put on your tongue, whatever.
I'll go for the tongue option. Stuart, tongue.
Ready? Fire. Fire coil 1. Oh my god, it works. Next one, Eddie.
Car goes to Japan wet. No more than 10 litres of fuel in it.
Oh, it does.
Car goes to Japan wet.
Make sure
Oh, nice. Fuck yes. You right, Tim?
Yep.
210.
Says 210.
Man, it's gonna sound sick from in here.
Long way.
Ready?
Probably take 2 guys. It's different, completely different top trigger.
Is it?
Different bracket. Your pump bracket.
Try again, I just pulled 2 out of it.
You up? She sounds rowdy.
It sounds fucking mental.
It's tinny in here, eh? It's tinny as fuck. Dong ding dong. Fuck it,
Nice
eh?
car.
See the loop wire? Get
When you
that?
want to kill it, pull it.
So we just pull that out.
When you wanna,
Programming to do.
Yeah.
I was going to put a kill switch on there.
On there, so we can start, stop, but if you're gonna kill it, we're gonna pull that wire out. Just go, took.
so when you want to turn it off, you're gonna tell me to pull it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like riding a jet ski when you get ejected.
Well, go on, you turn it on because
Okay.
it's fucking hanging all the way down here. You just tell me when to turn it off.
He's just worried about the kill switch, alright?
Yeah.
One thing at a time.
You know they always said men can't do more than one thing at a time. Yeah.
No, fuck it, take it away from
You're
me.
flustering me here.
100%.
Do you want to sit on the video call over there with my phone and watch?
Yeah.
Yeah. Dylan, can you put it?
You're about to start it off.
Yeah, yeah.
Walk me over here.
It's no, that's at the oil can. That's at the oil can. She's looking at the oil can.
Ready?
Hey, you screen record that FaceTime call, yeah?
Yeah.
Auto. It does sound out of time. It sounds like it's not timed right. Can we be out 360?
With a laptop in it, you got 2 blokes with laptops. You know?
I'll just take 360. Yeah.
The mufflers at the back just make it sound way too quiet. We started the car.
Well, best seat in the house, right?
Oops.
Big old man. Rocky.
Get in there and scar.
Fuck yeah.
What do you reckon, Alex?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. Shake the shit out of you?
Fucking awesome, man.
Is it louder inside?
It's actually louder out here.
It sounds way better with the exhaust with the valve open, mate.
Yeah, has to.
Sounds different after that, doesn't it? But I think just while we need to move it around tonight and get on the container, then use brand new Nismo's not sitting in a container for fucking 4 weeks. In an open car, you know. Sort of.
We can put the Nismo in the bag.
Yes, take it over when they're building it over there, put the Nismo on it. We're picking gears.
Oh, we got dash on? Damn. Oh, damn.
We're too slow, we're fucking going. We're slowing down now.
You should be the one to know we're slowing down.
We're gonna slow down now.
The top right hand button.
Yep, that's the start button.
Oh, first button.
Is it though?
It is.
You sure?
Dylan,
What are you doing, Stuart?
don't feel my fingers.
Touchdown.
Touchdown!
Japanese car built in Australia getting shipped to Japan. That's a bit harsh about face.
You know what the thing is though? The best of what happens in Australia happens here, and the best of what's happening in Japan is happening in Japan. I don't know, I'm pretty deadly with the body kit. Can we put a Morris back on the 32? Yeah, let's do it. Officially Goku 2 on the dyno. Fucking badass. Is that all you rented to? Doing an easy.
Doing it easy.